Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video on how to farm the MLS for agent email data is what we're looking for. So just a quick training video on this. Per the instruction sheet, you just click the link, enter in the login information, password to get into the MLS. Already done it. So go ahead and log in. We're going to go to searches. We're going to do power search. We're going to go ahead and start with active, and then we're going to do area all, and then we're going to do price. So we're going to do 0 to, let's just say 70 for now, and that stands for 70,000, but you just put 070, and then you click how many. So we got 168 matched results. Let's say we get something less, so 0 to 50. We only got 73, so we'd want to bump that up to back to, I'm just doing for examples. So let's say we get too many, so price is 0 to 100. See, we got 431 matched. We can only view 200. We want to download all this data, so we don't want to miss this other 231 matched because we can only view 200. So let's get this back down to 70. So that gets us within the range of really 100 to 200. That's kind of where we want to be. So that's where we're at. And that's where we want to be. So let's go ahead and show results. We're going to select all by hitting this top box. Go to export. And then everything's already done. My email address is already there. Just click export. Then we're done. So we're going to go back to the search, and we're going to repeat the process. So we already got active selected, we got this selected, so we want to really just change this from 70 to, let's say, 90. See if that gets us within the range. Yep. So show results, exact same thing. So everything after that is just really repetition. So we're going to select all those. We're going to export that. We're going to go back to search. So that's pretty much it for farming the MLS for when you're doing active, under contract, and pending. But when we're doing withdraw, sold, and expired, that's old data. So that when we select, so let's say we've gone through all actives and all under contract and pendings by going from 0 to up to 1,000,000 plus, and downloaded all that data. So we've gotten all the data for those three criteria. Now we want to do withdraw, sold, and expired. It's a little different in that when we do withdrawn and expired, we want to put that range really within the last 360 days for those withdraw and expired. And again, we'll just go back to 0 to 50. How many? Only 22, so let's go ahead and bump that up to 0 to 100. See what we get there. So 137, good enough. Show results, do the export. And then we go to 100 to 125 and try to stay within that range, and so on, and get all the data for withdrawn and all the data for expired within that 360 days. Then sold is a little bit different, and when we go to download or farm the sold data, here we just put 12 months back and get rid of the 360 days there, and then we go back to sold. We're doing all the areas, 0 to, let's see how many there is there. Wow. So okay. So we're going to want to do 0 to 50. I find that hard to believe that there's that much data, but I guess there is. Wow. Okay. Well, that's good, I guess. A lot of data. So we go just narrow that down. Still over that, so 35. Alright, so we get within that range, show results. Just stepping through this last process one more time. It's all the same after you make these changes to the criteria. Click this, go to the export. You want to select all data, and then you want to just do the export. So that's pretty much it for the training video on how to export data or farm the MLS for agent email information. Now all that data is going to be emailed directly to me. From there I'll build the spreadsheets and get the data that I'm looking for. So that's pretty much it.